What up YouTube, Chan Trades, back with another trade recap. Today I lost $130. I was trading NQ futures. Let's jump into it. So coming into the day, I'm kind of looking at a new way of finding bias based on manipulation and reversals. What I basically determined was that London session manipulated Asian session, these highs over here too, and then from there, reverse, right? And I thought it would continue. I thought my bias would be bearish for the day. Coming into the 5-minute, we can see pre-market structure. Right, we don't really do a whole lot on NQ. We kind of just hang out right here. We do form an SMT though with ES. That's the most important part about pre-market and market open. We form an SMT, and this is a bearish SMT. What an SMT is, if you don't know, is when NQ does something and ES does something that's different and that's opposite. It could be a good sign that one stock might be making a move, right? All it is, you see, NQ made a high here, made a high here, NQ made a high here, made a lower high here. What that's basically telling me is that ES is going down, NQ will probably start to go down too, sometime soon. From here, going to the 1 minute, NQ opened, pushed up, took out these highs, and I really thought this was the liquidity for the day that we needed to move lower. I started looking for shorts, so I got a shift in order flow with the fair value gap right here. So I already knew order flow was shifting bearish. From there, I just waited for confluence. I really wish price would have pushed into this BPR right here. That would have been a really good confluence because we also had equilibrium, but price kept pushing down. We had an order block right here. Price pushed into the order block. We also had equilibrium for this move from this high, this high. So for the swing high to this swing low. Price pushed in and closed out of equilibrium and this order block with this black candle. From there, that was all the confirmation that I needed. I entered. I had my stop right above this high. I could have definitely protected it better. In the long run, it wouldn't have mattered anyways, but that's something that this trade could be improved upon. From there, price just kind of just went sideways. Didn't really do a whole lot. The whole trade was trying to capture a pretty decent move. Yesterday, price moved pretty aggressively, doing a retrace. I thought we could maybe get some similar price action today. It was a 1 to 10 risk to reward, and honestly, I probably would have just taken it down to these lows. That's still pretty good. Really, I think the main fallacy of today, we have news. We have FOCO later today. We also have, I believe there's some inflation stuff. It's later today, but all that news stuff definitely plays a role in the short term. And then price action was just kind of shit. On ES, it was super similar, just consolidating, just doing weird stuff. So I don't know. I think my strategy and my bias today was sound. It makes sense why I did what I did. It just didn't play out the way that I thought it would play out. But if you guys want to check out this trade recap or other ones like it on my Instagram, it will be linked in the description. I might see you guys tomorrow. We'll see. 50-50. Alright, but have a good day, guys. Peace.